Hey, Dr. Cadena. New core workout. Broke out the old punching bag. Got these Century gloves. Protects the front of your hands. They're nice. Just kind of cushioning for your knuckles. This again is for anyone trying to get in shape. But also for my patients who we're getting tremendous results with weight loss and fitness. This is core workout kickboxing. So again, 30 minutes. You're going to work for a minute, and then you're going to rest for 30 seconds, and you're going to continue through those cycles. First, we're going to work upper body for 10 minutes. Then we're going to work into lower body for 10 minutes. And then we're going to work on the last 10 minutes and a combination of everything that we've worked through. So we're going to work through a series of punching and kicking and then putting it together as if you're kind of in a fight. 1 minute working, 30-second recovery, and then repeat to complete 30 minutes, okay? Now it's important when you punch, if you don't have a punching bag, then you can just punch in the air. You can set up a towel, hang somewhere. Just it's mainly technique. When you go to punch, you always want to punch with the first two knuckles, tight wrist. If you punch with the outer knuckles, you're going to break your hand. That's a puncher's fracture of the outer bone in the hand. So you always want to imagine engaging the first two knuckles straight ahead, and most of the power comes from your core. So when you go to punch, it's generated initially with the turning of your body. So that's what you want to do, is core engage and quickly strike and bring it back. Hands up, good technique, protect yourself. Out, back, out, back, out, back, out, back. Okay? So different types of punching, just a straight punch, straight punch. You got uppercut, again generated from your waist. Uppercut. You got a hook coming across like the side of the face, again generating power with your legs and your waist. Okay? Then you also have a kind of a quick front strike, more like a martial arts punch, like that. Also, you can go from the outside across the face, always concentrating on striking with those first two knuckles. Okay? And you can do a spinning punch. You look at your target, kind of measure with this hand, and turn into it. Measure, turn. Again, most of this is generated with the legs and the core. Okay? Same thing, lower body. The power, again, you got to have good balance, but it's a quick front snap. This is kind of like, you imagine striking with shoelaces, like someone's crotch. Okay, quick snap, good balance, quick snap. Okay, then you can strike with the bottom part of the front part of your balls, just behind your toes. That's how you want to hit with that part. Kind of imagine in the epigastric area, right here in the middle. Just a quick boom, boom. Okay. Then you can have a side kick. Again, the first thing, first movement, toes out, and spin your body into the kick. Good balance, toe out, side kick. Then you can just have a straight out side kick, bring your knee up, and then kick into it with the side of your foot. Same thing over here. Good balance. Knee out. Side of the outer part of your foot. Those are different things you can do. Spinning kick. Again, measure with your hands, and you're going to turn, and you're going to strike with the outer part of your foot. So measure up, turn, hit with the outer part of your foot. Kind of outer top part of your foot. So those are different kind of techniques for punching and kicking. Now we're going to put it together in a workout. Okay? So again, this is a 30-minute workout. I just did it. Very good. Heart rate, I haven't seen what it got up to, but I'm sure it got up pretty good. Anyways, we'll look at that in a second. So, first thing we're going to do is start the clock. And for the first 30 seconds, we're going to punch. We're just going to punch straight. Again, these two knuckles into it. Turning your body into it. So you're going to work your right arm first, and then once the 30 seconds is up, then you're going to work on the left side. So, quick turn, generating power with your legs and with your core, your stomach, okay? So you do that for a minute, then recover 30 seconds, and then we're going to work into like a uppercut. So you're going to be here, and you're going to come here, down here, and again, the two knuckles. Do that 30 seconds on one side, and then the other side. So, again, 30 seconds on each side. Then recover 30 seconds. Then work on the hook. So, you're going to come around like that. 30 seconds on each side. So again, generating power with your legs and your waist. 30 seconds go by. Other side. Minute goes by. 30-second recovery. And then you can do a kind of a front snap punch, just a quick punch with the knuckles. "30 seconds, other side. "30 seconds to complete a minute. Recover. Then you can do a spinning punch. So again, kind of measure up with one hand where you're going to be, and then as you turn, you're going to catch the bag with your peripheral vision, and you're going to come around with those knuckles again. Okay? Same thing. Come around. That wasn't too pretty. Try it again. Turn. And again, you're generating power with your waist. Coming around, same thing. So, a little fatigued, off balance. So when we do this switching back and forth on left and right, you're just going to hold that for a full minute and then recover. So those are the different ways that you can do that. And then once you work through those punches, Then to finish off the 10 minutes of upper body, you're going to kind of put it together, okay? So you're going to go uppercut, hook, front, punch, a little snap punch, okay? So uppercut, hook, front, quick snap. Uppercut, hook, front, snap. Uppercut, hook, front, snap, spinning. Uppercut, hook, front, snap, spinning. So you would do that. Finish up upper body. Next, lower body. So again, we're going to first do a kind of a front snapping kick, snap, and because I really don't have a good area to strike on the bag, I'm just going to do it in the air. But imagine kind of hitting somebody in the you-know-where. And good balance, snap, snap, snap. 30 seconds on one side, other side, snap, 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 snap. 30 seconds. Complete a minute. 30-second recovery. Now, this is the striking with the ball of the front part of your foot, okay? So kind of imagine kicking somebody right here. Very lethal. So good balance, hands up, protect yourself for a punch. "30 seconds, switch sides. Complete a minute. Recover 30 seconds. So on to the third technique of kicking. So we're going to do kind of a side kick. Imagine catching somebody kind of in the kidney area. Again, very lethal if done correctly. First thing though is you want to point your toe outward. Get your body core turning into the kick. And then you're going to cut through. Okay? Reset again. Reset again. Reset again. So since we're switching sides, you do that for a minute. 30-second recovery. And then come into the different technique that I showed you earlier. So you want to do spinning kicks a little bit harder, but you want to kind of measure up with your hand, come around, look at the bag, go into it. So come around, step, go into it. Okay? So turn, kick into it. So you can do that. Again, we're switching sides. So I'm going to do that for a minute, rest and recover. So those are pretty much the kicking techniques. And that would be your second 10 minutes that you're working through. And then the last 10 minutes, you want to combine it, okay? So sometimes people are expecting action up here, and they're not expecting action anywhere. So sometimes in a confrontation, one of the first best moves is somewhere down below. You can distract by moving the hands, and then